Thanks, Christina. My name is Jan, and I'll be telling you about some of the progress that we made on coding. GPT-5 is clearly our best coding model yet. It will help everyone, even those who do not know how to write code, to bring their ideas to life.
It just helped me.
Indeed, and it will help me right now. So I will try to show you that. I will actually try to build some.
By the way, the team right here, absolutely amazing. I just love them. It's really fun to watch them explain all the features. Just wanted to throw that out. It's a great team.
Something that I would find useful, which is building a web app for my partner to learn how to speak French so that she can better communicate with my family. So here I have a prompt. I will execute it. It asks exactly what I just said. Please build a web app for my partner to learn French. One thing to note is that GPT-5, just like many of our other models, has a lot of diversity.
So what he's going to do here is basically he has to solve a problem, right? The problem is that the friend has to learn French. The friend speaks English, and he's going to gift her an app for her to speak or learn French, right? So he's just writing it in plain English. Create a beautiful, highly interactive web app for my partner, an English speaker, to learn French. And he kind of bullet points what it needs to do, like track her daily progress, use a highly engaging theme, include a variety of activity, examples, flashcards, quizzes, etc. So let's see what
In instances. So what I like doing, especially when you do this type of vibe coding, is to take this message and ask it multiple times to GPT-5, and then you can decide which one you prefer. So I'm going to open a few tabs. Just going to paste there. Great. So while it's
okay, so what he did here was he opened up multiple chats, right? Multiple GPT-5 chats, fresh, and he copied the exact prompt that you see here, but he put it in different tabs to see what GPT-5 generates in different sessions to get different results, perhaps from the way it's thinking at the time, and then see what he can combine to best fit the final outcome for the app.
Working on it, let's read through exactly the prompt I wrote. Create a beautiful and highly interactive web app for my partner, an English speaker, to learn French. And then I gave a little bit more details. Track her daily progress, use a highly engaging theme. Oh, it's already working.
There it goes. It's starting to code.
Put it on the side for now.
That's how fast. I mean, that's what drives me crazy when I see this. You write like it's like you going up to a person, a developer, and you're telling me, you know, that's the little prompt. Just build me a little app to track fitness, and this thing starts writing like fast.
Use a highly engaging theme. Include a variety. Working. I'm gonna put it on the side for now. Use a highly engaging theme. Include a variety of activities like flashcards and quizzes that you.
Not only that, it's showing you the thoughts. As you can see, it says thoughts. It's thinking as it's coding.
Can interact with, and then to make it even more fun for her, I actually asked GPT-5 to embed an educational game, which is based on the old Snake game, but I asked to add this French touch to it, which is to replace the snake with a mouse and the apples with cheese. And to make sure that it's educational, every time, I know it's complicated, please bear with me. Every time the mouse will eat a piece of cheese, I asked GPT-5 to voice over a new French word so that my partner can practice her pronunciation.
I can see how much you want her to learn.
Indeed. Great. So GPT-5 is still...
That's kind of cool. I mean, that's a nice friend.
Working on it. It already wrote 240 lines of code, which honestly
240 lines of code in less than a minute.
Is much more than what I would have written in that time. And
yeah, front-end code's super hard. You know, you miss a couple things and it just doesn't work.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's exactly what he said is what I was saying before. It's not easy just to write 200 lines of code less than a minute because you're going back and finding the errors, the bugs. You know, you're fixing things. People are coming up to you. They're telling you to change this, change that, change this, change that. So by the time you're at 200 lines, I mean, it's probably like 2 weeks. If I don't know, maybe more.
But the good part is that you don't need to understand any of that right now. So we'll just let it through. Maybe we can check the other tabs. Oh,
wow.
So I can simply press run code. So I'll do that and cross my fingers. Whoa.
Oh,
nice.
nice. I really
Voila.
So here's the final result. There's the web app to learn with the game to learn French.
So we have a nice website. Name is Midnight in Paris.
Oh, I
Learn
love that.
together.
So romantic.
We also see a few tabs: flashcards, quiz, and mouse and cheese, exactly like I asked for. I will play that. So this says Le Chat, which says the cat. Sorry.
Le chat.
Well, that's pretty good pronunciation.
What does that mean?
The cat.
Oh.
So I can reveal and check if GPT-5 is correct. It is. So if I press next, oh, and I don't know if you saw, I think it actually updated the progress bar, which is exactly what I had asked for. Let's check the quiz. Here there's the word non, which is no. So if I press on
Non.
it, bien joué, which means congrats. And it updated the progress bar again. And let's check the mouse and cheese tab. Okay, that seems like a mouse. Here's the cheese. I'm going to try to play it. I can't promise I'm going to be good at it. Okay, seems to be working.
La gare.
Oh,
Un café.
indeed, just when I eat the cheese,
Le chat.
it gives me a new French word. It's actually super
Le beurre.
complicated.
It's very. I mean, it's already blown my mind again, and we're 20 minutes in. He created something very original. It's designed it. I mean, it coded it based on what he said. Now it's not perfect. Obviously, it could be tweaked. You know, like for instance, in the learning the words, it's you know, it might need a little bit of more understanding of what you're touching, like what you're clicking to get the noise or get the sound or whatever it is. And then, for instance, like the game could be tweaked a lot more because it's too fast, and every time he eats the cheese, it's throwing out a French word, but I don't know what it's saying. You know what I mean? Like, so you know, he could probably go back and tweak and say in the game, change the speed of the mouse moving around, and every time it eats the cheese, like when it says the word, can you just put it on the screen so I could see it in French and English so I understand what the hell it is.
And I already lost. I'm sorry. But let's just check a few other tabs just to see what is the type of diversity that GPT-5 can give you.
But nonetheless, it's incredible how fast it produced this, like how fast it created it. That's the magic.
So I can run the code here. Oh, okay, that's not my favorite, but it seems that I can maybe switch. Oh, look at that.
Oh, nice.
That's better.
I like this mouse game better.
Yeah, I don't know, that doesn't look like a cat, like a mouse, but let's check maybe the third one. You know, sometimes it's not great. The good thing.
So now this is the other tab. It asks the same question with a different outcome. So this one's called French Quest, and then you could see it's a different interface. It's brighter, and it's got a different game, and it looks like it didn't quite understand the mouse cheese thing.
With GPT-5 is that if you have something that you don't like, you can just ask it to change it, and it will do it for you. Let's check this one. Oh, that's nice. That's also something to note is that GPT-5 really likes purple, so you will see a lot of that.
It's fine. Purple is my favorite color.
Great. You will love GPT-5 then. So, as we just saw, in a few minutes, GPT-5 built a few demos for us and for my partner to learn French. GPT-5 really opens up a whole new world of vibe coding. And as we saw, there will be some small rough edges, but a good thing is that you can ask GPT-5 to fix them. GPT-5 really brings the power of beauty.
Again, education system Start embracing now.
Beautiful and effective code to everyone. I can't wait to see what people will build with it. But until then, back to you, Mark.
Thank you so much, Tina. Thank you so much, Elaine. Thank you so much, Jan. We've come